Welcome to Green Office Partner Training. I'm going to show you how to send a fax using the Xmedius Fax App. You simply click on that app. You can enter the fax number you're sending it to, the name that you're sending it the fax to, the company name, you simply hit add. If you want to add this person to your phone book or your favorites, you click on their name, you hit save, and it will let you choose phone book or favorites. If you hit phone book, it's added to that contact to your phone book. Then you simply enter in the subject line. So we will say test. And any comments that you want to add. This is the information we spoke about. From there, all you do is hit fax. If I had a correct fax number in, it would have sent that fax to the actual fax number.